Hi, I'm Kat from Crazy Cabbage, and today I'll be showing you how to make this simple beanie hat with a brim that's crocheted on as you make it and not sewn on separately. This hat will fit ages 3 to 6, but I'm going to put the link to the pattern on my blog below, so I'll explain how to make it different sizes. Basically, you will just be doing less increased rounds if you want a smaller hat, or more increases and more length if you want a bigger hat. The yarn I'll be using is Red Heart Super Saver in Grey Heather. I'll be using the hook size that was suggested on my yarn, so this is an I9 5.5mm. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by making a magic ring. Drag it behind my fingers, put across there, insert your hook into the middle, and then pull the loop through the circle. And just pull it through here, and then chain 1 and put 7 half double crochets into this ring. If you struggle to make the magic ring, you can just chain 4 and then join with a slip stitch to make a ring. That works too. So when you've done those 7 half double crochets, we're going to find the top of the first half double crochet, and we're just going to slip stitch to join through there. So now we have a total of 8 since we're counting the chain in there. I'm going to chain 2, and then we're going to put half double crochet in that same space. And then put 2 half double crochets in the top of each stitch around, so you've got a total of 16. Okay, when you finish that round, again just find the top of the first half double crochet and just join with slip stitch to finish the round. And then we chain 2. So now we need to increase up to 24. So let's put a half double crochet in that same space. One half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 in the next one, just 1 in the next one, and just keep going 2 1 2 1 all the way around, so then you should have the 24. Okay, then we just slip stitch to join again, chain 2 more, and then put half double crochet in that same space, and then 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2, 2 half double crochets in the next one, 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2, and then keep going around. So it's 2 in 1, 1 in each of the next 2. And then when you've done that, you should have 32 half double crochets. Okay, so then it's slip stitch to join in the top of the first half double crochet again, chain 2, half double crochet in that same space, half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next one, and 1 in the next one. So it was 2 in the first one, and then 1 in each of the next 3, 2 in the next one, 1 in each of the next 3, and just keep going like that all the way around, and then you should have 40 half double crochets. Okay, so then it's slip stitch to join again, chain 2, half double crochet in that same space, and then it's 1/2 double crochet in each of the next 4, 2 in the next one, 1 in each of the next 4, all the way around until you've got 48 half double crochet. Okay, then it's slip stitch to join again, and chain 2, half double crochet in that same space, and then 1/2 double crochet in each of the next 5, 2 in the next one, 1 in each of the next 5, all the way around, and then you should have 56 half double crochet. Okay, so then we just slip stitch to join again, and chain 2, and now we're just going to put 1/2 double crochet in each one around. Make sure you maintain 56. So you want to do 8 rounds like this. So when you reach the end of the last round, slip stitch to join, and now chain 5, okay, and then we put a double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. It's this one, double crochet in the next chain, and double crochet in the last chain. Okay, and then find the next half double crochet, so we join onto here, and we're going to put a slip stitch in there, and then put a slip stitch in the next one as well. Okay, and then we turn, so now you're facing the inside of the brim here. See the stitches here? Now we're going to do front post double crochet around these. So around the first one, around the second one, around the third one, then we're going to go around the chain 2 here as well. And then we chain 2, and we turn again, so now we're facing the front, and then we do front post double crochet to round this first one here. Make sure you don't go around the chain 2, otherwise it's going to get wider. So that's 1, front post double crochet around the next one, it's 2, and then front post double crochet around this last one, and that's 3. Find where you place the last slip stitch into the next half double crochet along, slip stitch into the next one, and then turn, and then front post half double crochet that one, and then they're in the next one, so that's 4 front post double crochets in this row. Chain 2 and turn again, and then we do 3 front post double crochets. So in this one here, find the next one, find the last one and put one in there. And then we find the next half double crochet, slip stitch in there, and the next one as well, slip stitch in there, and turn, and then just keep going. So we'll do 4 front post half double crochets, we chain 2, and then we come back doing 3, do the 2 slip stitches. So if you just rewind and just keep rewatching if you need to, and then just go all the way around the brim like that. So when you finish going around the brim, I've just got 1 stitch left here, so I'm just going to slip stitch into that. Okay, I decided to slip stitch it closed on the outside because it looks better with the ribbon, but if you want to do it on the inside, that's fine too. So then I'm just going to add a slip stitch in the top of each of these double crochets to close the brim up. And then just fasten off and it's done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.